Good morning, students. Now our probability lesson is finished. Now today I am going to explain you the problem set questions. Now basketball players John Wasim Akash were practicing the ball drop in the basket. The probability of success for John, Wasim and Akash. How many are? 3. 45, 0.83 and 58% respectively. Who had the greatest probability of the success? First, how to find out the probability? Very simple. Firstly, see the probability that the ball is dropped in the basket by John is 45. So that is equal to 0.80. Okay. Now the probability that the ball is dropped in the basket is 0.83. And the probability that the ball dropped by the basket, that is 58. How to find out 58? 58 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.58, and therefore 0.83 is greater than 0.80, which is greater than 0.58, and therefore Wasim has the greatest probability of the success. In the hockey team there are 6 defender, 4 offender and 1 goalie. Out of these, one player is to be selected randomly as a captain. Find the probability of the selection team. That total number of players are 6 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Okay, so 11 total players are there. So the goalie will be selected. It is how many are? 1. So out of 11, 1 is selected. Let A be the event that captain selected will be the goalie. There is only one goalie in the hockey team. Okay, and let be the event that captain selected will be the defender. So there are 6 defenders in the hockey team. So what is the probability of that? The probability of that is 1 upon 11, and here it is 6 upon 11, means out of 11 6 are selected, out of 11 1 is selected. Okay, next. The Joseph kept 26 cards in the cap, bearing one English alphabet on each card. One card is drawn at a random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? Each card bears English alphabet. N of S is 26. Let A be the event that card drawn a vowel card. How many are there? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The probability that the card drawn is 5 upon 26. Very simple. Out of 26, 5 are the vowels. Now, because all of you know, no need to repeat it again and again, the formula of a probability. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at a random to give it to the Pranali. What is the probability of the event that Pranali get? Red balloon, blue balloon, green balloon. Firstly, see the balloon. Total number of balloons are. Total number of balloons are, that is n of s, that is your sample space, that are 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. Let A be the event that Pranali get a red balloon. So out of 9, how many are there? 2. Therefore, this is the probability of the red balloon. For blue balloon, it is 3 by 1. Out of, let be the event that Pranali get a blue balloon. The probability that Pranali get a blue balloon is, it is 3 by 9. No, 1 by 3. 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, it is reduced. Huh? Don't be confused. It's 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 upon 3. Finish. And the probability that the Pranali get a green balloon is 4 by 9. Total number of balloons are 9. Out of that, how many are the green? 4. Very simple question, students. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue, 3 green pens. Rutuja want to pick a pen at a random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? Let 5 red pens be R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. 8 blue, 8. Okay, and 3 greens. So it is in this way systematically you have to write. And therefore the sample space is all the red, blue pen and green. Therefore total it is 16. So n of s is equal to 16. The probability that the pen is blue only. So how many total number of pens 16. Out of the how many are blue? 8. Therefore 8 upon 16, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. 8 upon 16, that is equal to 1 by 2. 6 faces of a die are as shown in the below. How many? 6. Die rolled 1. Find the probability of the A appear on upper face or D appear on a upper face. Sample space is what? A, B, C, D, E, A. E F or E A only. How? S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, A. N of S is 6. Let R be the event that A appear on the upper face. That is, it is given. So R is equal to A comma I. Therefore N of R is 2. How many A are there? 2 are there. So let Q be the event that D appear on upper face. D is one time only. Therefore N of Q is 1. Okay. It depends on the given information. Okay students. Now a box contains 30 tickets bearing only one number from 1 to 30 on each. If one ticket is drawn at random, find the probability of an event that the ticket drawn bear an odd number or complete square number. Odd number means all of you know very well 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. Out of 30, these 15 numbers are the odd number. So N of A is the event of a ticket drawn bear on an odd number. Therefore N of A is 50. Let B the event that the ticket drawn bears a complete square number. Therefore B is equal to, how many are the square perfect square number? 1 is there, 4 is there, 9 is there, 16 is there and 25 is there. 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So N of B is equal to 5. Now length and breadth of a rectangular garden is 77 meter by and 55 meter. Length is 77 and breadth is 50 meter. There is a circular lake in the garden having a diameter 14 meter. Due to the wind, a towel from a terrace on a nearby building building fell into the garden. Tower it is. So then find the probability of the event that it fell in the lake. Oh, area of rectangular garden is, how to find out the area? Length into breadth. It is rectangle, therefore the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So how many it is? 77 into 50. Area of the rectangular garden is 3850 square meter radius of the lake. So how to find out it? 14 divided by 7. Why it is given? Diameter is given. So radius is 7 meter. And the area is 3850. The probability of the event that tail in the lake is 1 by 25. Why? How to calculate it? If you are taking 3850 divided by 7, you will get the probability of the event. In a game of chance, a spinning arrow comes to the rest at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these are equally likely outcomes. Find the probability that it will rest at 8. An odd number. A number is greater than 2 and a number is less than 9. What is the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the sample face. N of S is 8. A be the event the spinning arrow comes at the rest at 8. B the event odd number. C is greater than 2 and D is less than 9. So, how to find out the probability? Semi. How total number are 8. Out of the rest at 1. Arrow come to rest at 8. One time only. Second, odd number. How many are there? 1, 3, 5 and 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. So it is 4 by 8. Then see the event spinning arrow come at the number greater than 2. It is greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total are 6. So 6 by 8. And here arrow come at a number less than 9. So it is 8 upon 8. So in this way you have to find out the probability. So this question is I explained, but this is a homework question. Okay, I cut it. This is your homework question. So send me the up to session time. Okay, students.